Critical library mismatch involving the software licensing Windows Genuine Advantage DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. To kick off the software licensing Windows Genuine Advantage guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Software Licensing Windows Genuine Advantage, a legacy component of the Windows Genuine Advantage WGA system, now integrated into the software protection platform. It manages the verification of digital licenses for legacy Windows software and Office versions. If missing, older productivity tools will fall into a non-genuine reduced functionality mode. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Because software licensing Windows Genuine Advantage DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including software licensing Windows Genuine Advantage, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Most individual downloads of software licensing Windows Genuine Advantage DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to software licensing Windows Genuine Advantage. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for software licensing Windows Genuine Advantage today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support